Hello everybody. Today we're cooking up a fireside chicken. As you can see here, we've rigged up a little bit of a twine rotisserie. Looks pretty good. We've never cooked this before, so we're quite excited to see how it's going to taste when we're done. When you cook a chicken like this, it's very important you truss it up so it goes head down or straight, perpendicular. This one it cooked a little bit unequal, so we actually flipped it over to try and cook it a bit more evenly. When you cook this, it's important that the heat not come from below but from the side. So you got to build your fire up in a bit of a wall. Right now it's done, we're just trying to keep it warm. With our chicken, because we were trying to cook an all campfire dinner, we have potatoes done perfectly. You can tell potatoes done by giving it a soft squeeze and they'll feel a bit soft. Sometimes when they're overdone they'll actually get hard again, and then you know we've gone way too far. All in all, I think this is going to be a delicious meal. Looking forward to eating it, and we'll let you know how it goes.